Hey everybody, Jeffrey here with this week's Ergonomic Problem Solving series. So what I wanted to go over this week is a B19-RG with rotational gimbal. So we've actually standardized this product so that way you can order it easier, and what we can do is probably about 4 to 5 week lead time, and it's just amazing to be able to see a 7 to 9 inch angle grinder being able to be used like this. You can fold it up on itself, get in, get out, really use this from all types of range of motion, up, down, and I mean you can really fly with this if you need to, or you can go as slow as you need to, kind of make it steady, but that way I can literally use this just like this if I had to, which you wouldn't, but the nice thing is you can control this grinder any which way you need to by using the B19-RG. Give us a call this week to solve your problem, 1-800-837-2503.